Hi, my name is Olivia from Connected Sensors, and today I'll be showing you how to use our multi-step water audit tool. You'll be starting off by putting in the name of the person filling out the audit and the email address that you want the summary to be sent to. This field will be the company or person associated with the property. Enter the company's address, select the country and the province or state, as well as the currency and measurement unit that you'll be using to fill out succeeding details in the next steps. For the building details step, you can select the date that the audit was completed, the name of the property's location, its address, and age. Moving on to the meter model and meter type, they are non-compulsory fields but are nice to have. Positive displacement and turbine flow meters are the most commonly used meter types. If your property has a compound meter, you can fill out the input with a value of combination or simply leave it blank. For this example case, the property has a total of 32 units and has 4 stories. It's recommended that you enter in 10% of the total units to be the number of units that you're going to audit, but you can just put in the total units that you do audit. In the water information and rate step, you're shown what the industry standard is per unit with regards to general water consumption. In this step, you're required to fill out the building's total water consumption, water cost, and combined sewer and water cost according to your building's last water bill. To fill out the water quality details, you can use and refer to a water testing strip. Feel free to skip this step should you not require the following metadata on your report. The proposed consumption rates are the lowest possible flow rates that can be offered to you upon upgrading your property's point of use infrastructure. Or simply put, it's the highest water usage efficiencies per point of use. The next step is where you proceed to audit each water use point in the building. Let's start with the kitchen faucet. You'll see in this consumption rate column that the baseline has automatically been filled out for you based on the proposed rate given in the previous step. When you fill out the low, moderate, and high consumption rates, be sure to fill out the values in ascending order from top to bottom, and make sure that they're filled out in the measurement unit indicated above. Just as a note, you can always go back to previous steps to change your account's measurement unit and other account details as you need. Once you've filled out the consumption rates, proceed with the step and fill out the audited units for each rate. If there are any units that are defective or leaking, you'll leave them out of the consumption rate fixed account and instead add them to the defective count below. In this case, there are 2 defective or leaking kitchen faucets. Let's continue with auditing the rest of the fixtures. When auditing the building toilets, each toilet can indicate a flush rate of a different measurement unit. So, as long as you enter in the consumption rates from its lower to higher values, you can always select the measurement unit that the flow rate was recorded in, and the value will be converted according to the measurement unit set for your account. As an example, this one toilet that was audited has a flush rate of just over 6 liters per flush. This will be converted to gallons in your report summary to remain consistent with your account's initial setup. So this value calculates to about 1.6 gallons per flush. The next 2 steps will be used to calculate the cost of repairing and upgrading your building. The quantities are automatically populated for you, based on your audited points of use. So for this step, you only need to fill out the cost and markup for each replacement. To calculate the cost of labor for upgrades, you only need to enter in the cost and markup. The quantity has already been populated for you based on the fixtures you'll need from the previous step. Lastly, after repairing and upgrading your building infrastructure to its highest efficiency, we want to monitor water use, detect leaks, and be notified in cases of high usage to prolong the cost benefit of these upgrades. In this last step, you'll be required to fill out the cost, markup, and quantity for each prospective monitoring device that will be added to the building. Once completed, you can go back and change values as needed. Or if you're ready, you can go ahead and submit your water audit by clicking the green Submit button on the bottom. And that's it. Your report is being compiled and you'll be receiving it in your inbox shortly. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.